comment below and tell me who can just push his partner right like this and tell me and not to cook. Me know me not have to take out something like this and taste. Me can just push in like this and know how soft it is. So people see sardine here, all on there. There you go. Now I want to boil down some more. That me I wonder. I'll just throw sardine in it. Welcome people, welcome back to the channel. Today we do back something unusual. As you know, I will bring something unusual. You see me? I do some white rice, I think some rice with sardine, but I do sardine with a different twist. As you know, I have come something unusual, something out of the box. So I show you right now, as you see the title, I cook it down with some coconut milk. You see me? I never did before and I never hear about nobody do it this way. It's alright, I'm not gonna do it because as you're supposed to know, I like to try new things. Yeah, so that's my idea today. Right now, I'm from where I shop, right? Yeah. So stay tuned for the video people. Remember, follow me IG Jeff876 and Yasa Adventures. The link for page them down below in the description. Just scroll along, click the link and give me a follow. You see me? And I want to give a video a thumbs up, smash the like button, the man like a video. Comment and tell me what you think about this idea. Leave a comment down below, leave a thoughts down below, you see me? Share the video, please. Help me grow. I'm big enough, I can't stress this enough. Share the video, yeah, and subscribe it. When you share the video, tell the person share the video, say yo, please subscribe and share the video also, you see me? Help me grow, yeah. Right now, I'm at the shop now. Today, up here, so when we to the shop, I check him out, you know, some soon come. The people, soon at the shop, everybody do the pump channel for a long time, no, so I have to go to the shop here, because the shop here are the most close shop to me, you see me. You can't buy the go up on the front, up on the road, so the shop here is very close to me, so I choose this shop, yeah. So, finally reach now. Serve!
Where
Which is sardine?
160.
Some one coconut powder.
Yeah, something. Yeah, smell it. Yeah, man. I go down so we change, yeah?
Yeah, man. I don't they in liver there? Yeah, man, 1 2 pound too.
Yeah, something. Yeah.
So, people, sardine, coconut milk, yeah, and the liver, after something is different, you see me? So, you can stay tuned for whatever different way that something unusual again, yeah. My go now int. I'm gonna say liver, turmeric. Everybody know turmeric, know what turmeric used for do. Yeah, so if you don't know, you can just stick along or do research. Yeah. You can't get no coconut right now. The thing is very difficult now to get right now, and this is more easier. You see this, the coconut powder, easy if it could become like milky than the coconut. When you boil down the original coconut, it will become an oil. This is more easier to deal with when I want to do. You see me? Even when I make pasta, you have to use this. Yeah. So let's say choose to use this. Right now, this now, chip on some water, stir it up and throw in the pot. I start boil up, you start put milk and start boiling, you see me? And then I'm going to know, I just throw the sardine pan it. Yeah. So I go now, I run down what I'm going to do. I'm gonna fry up the onion, pepper, scallion, and all that. Right? Saute it. Then we throw this pan some water, stir it out, throw in the pot, stir it up. When it go down now, I simmer down, I boil, go down. It almost done dry out now. Then I throw the sardine pan it and stir it up, make the sardine hot. Yeah. So, but I don't want to skip it out now. I don't want to skip the video. I'm just for I want to watch the video, you see me? Also, like the video, comment and tell me what you think about this idea. Yeah. Somebody tell me say me so proud of myself because all them things I not, but I didn't think they motivate me and push me to try
Don't listen to it. Listen
more.
to me, I said.
You see
Don't
me?
listen to it.
So,
But
soon
them
circle
not
back
know
with
ya.
people.
They not know ya.
Alright people, I don't get on one already. Yeah. The video now will deliver I could do tomorrow or so next day thing that is, see me? But the video I do know the sardine rundown. Basically sardine rundown, that might take it as sardine rundown and rice. Yeah, so remember people want to do share the video, you see me? Because one alone can't watch them exclusive video here, you see me? When you share the video. Yeah. Make people know about me and know about them kind of cooking here. People always say, boy, them tired of food, them tired of this, them tired of that, but I them now experiment and try new things because me now, I like experiment with food and try new things and see what got together good and all that. Look on the video I do, what the last time I drop with the spread roast in a jerk sauce. That wasn't so good. It didn't turn out as how me want to turn out. Spread best for fry, you see me? That's the same way. So them things I do, experiment and try new things. Yeah. So basically that I do now. Right now I have enough more video to come. Enough exclusive video for job. Right now I can job a video every day till December. But the video I did me have so different content and them thing there. So just share the video man. Make more people know about me. So people right now, I time now to put on the rice. Cause first I cook at the rice because I don't know say the rundown not take no time to do. Or maybe do 20 one time, I'm not sure. Yeah, but see for you here. Well, the fire side. I'm gonna make the fire now, light it, and then wash the rice, put on the rice and all that, you see me? So stay tuned with the people. So when I catch the fire, chicken back with you know, and show you how I go on, you see me? So stay tuned. Alright people, so see fire here now. So as soon as the fire catch now, I'm throw on the rice and chicken back with you know. You see me? So I don't know, it's a quick time this catch. It's a quick time that catch. So I'm going to sort out that. Then I'm checking my code, you see me when they catch. And right now people, at the first time I cook rice on wood fire, so it's gonna be a challenge for me. So hopefully I'm not burn it. So I see what I go on people, so stay tuned. So people see for here, catching now so much on the rice and now. So I'm say hopefully I'm not burn it because I never cook rice pan stick fire before. And I'm on the coal and stove. I don't know, so you might think it's strictly outdoor, natural thing. Wood fire or coal. Yeah, so wood fire. Come on, challenge myself today. Deep on the stick fire. Yes, people see rice here. In fact, so oil and onion. So as before, this is a little bit of challenge for me because the first time I cook it on the fire. So we see what I go on still. But keep it on a low flame. Can't put too much in it, too much stick in it, make it blaze too much. Yeah. And when that's steaming them now, I just jar stick them and make the fire kinda out down a bit. Yeah, so I feel like me go just extend the fire come out here so I'm cook two things them one time, you see me? That me feel like me go do. Something quick and fast because I don't want to come, I'm not done. Yeah. And people may have some footage to go, no? My friend at drew some cane and film black and in video it and send come give me, you see me? I'm not sure about the quality and them thing they yet because wow, some smoke burn my eye. Because I'm me video it and all that, so I'm not sure about it yet. Maybe this one cut it out and all that. So I'm showing the scene because everybody know how they do skiing in the country manually, you see me, so I'm showing that also. So after I'm done showing the cooking part of this, that video then make up add that clip to it. Yeah. And I don't think if we do it on a good angle, because everybody knows say whenever you do the video with a phone, you put the phone like this, the phone like this, it does up so. And this one we see the phone it turn up like this when time with a video. So you know say if the video now look nice for what I screen, but I'm showing what I want because this is what I want to see me, you see me? Yeah. But I'm still grateful for the footage, you know, because a long time to kill juice that way, and I'm sure enough people don't know about it that way, you see me? Enough people don't know cane juice. They don't drink cane juice and don't know, or enough people never know to cane juice, so man. Show them what I go and see them, you see me? Yeah. I then footage here, more and do. More videos like this and enough more like this I forward, you see me? Because he don't for that camera and he waiting for work and make it to grow and all that. So when you can stay tuned for that, like the video, comment and share. I want to share it, tell the person to share it to share it also and subscribe, so you soon check him out one time this is the progress of the rest of steaming and all that. I'm gonna show you how going. So people may extend it for your camera, I just everything one time and done, so I'll put it the next part right here, so yeah, so man, just my fire make them here so catch too. Yeah. But you know already start because see this? Yeah. I have to be careful because I don't want to get burned. But when you cook, that's the most here, man. Yeah. So I'm putting the pot now and put it on right here, so that's right here, so. So these are the season, people. So this is the one the satay. And here's the rice. I'll put a bag over it. You see them fast. Yeah. So I'll mix out the coconut powder now, not this one now. And control this shortly when it started a bit. Yeah, so I'm soon checking back on the people. I take this at a long time. So I hurry up to cut up all my onion and stuff. So about this some more on fire. So people, I soon check it back in again. Now go for the coconut milk. People in the video, I'm not showing them much. I want to go on. Sorry for that. That's because I hold the camera and all that amount of equipment. You see me? But the camera equipment and all that, I can't get that until I earn from this. So that's why I'm share the video, so I can get my equipment. Because if not somebody know them, I cut up and I show them I go, I prepare the camera, cut up, show them, cut up it and thing there. That don't hurt no people. So I'm check the pattern now and see what I go on. So thing they cannot burn still. They cannot burn up. Yeah. So no quick time that don't boil on people. Quick time, so I taste the rice and I see what I'm going for the rice. Comment below and tell me, oh, can just push the fat in the rice like this and tell me I know if you cook. I know I'm not if you take out something like this and taste it, I can just push it like this and know how soft it is. So I'm choosing water it now. Some more water because I like it when rice softer than this. You see me? No. Let me look for me. Then we can take out now. See? It's an onion, people. So alright now people, I'm thinking about that steam now. So I just put the bag over it, people, and see that there. Now I'm putting on hot night. Make it get the softer. It's alright. Me personally don't like when time rice to shelly. So this now, I have to pay key attention to this because I don't want to try out too much. See? Creamy and nice. I'll put the bag over this one now. So, back time on our people. Make it steam now real fast. And watch that. Watch the coconut make them to tell you too much. You don't want to put night yet, I'm going to put a salt night yet because I'll make sure sardine, try one magazine night, my taste because the sardine a bit of salt night and the magazine have a bit of salt night. So I'm going to put the salt night and then you go to salt. So I add that, then put in the salt last. This is going creamy and thick, that's what I want. If I use the normal ordinary coconut, you wouldn't come to cream so fast, you see me? This now get a cream fast and boil down fast. It a boil down people. I first I do this, you know. So basically me I learn as I go. I just think about it and have an idea in mind and say yo, as soon as I execute it and hopefully execute it, it turn out good. You see me? So only can watch this now and get inspired by this video and just do it too. And maybe undo it a better way. I don't know. Yeah, so basically do it now and see it taste and then next time if you make it next time we can know exactly what to do. But it's basically simple, just like scallion thyme and time still on a time, but yeah, pepper, you can throw garlic night, throw coconut milk and the boil they throw in the sardine and little maggi season night, or powder season it, whichever you have in night, and that basically done. Yeah. So people see sardine here, all on there. There, so I want to make it boil on some more. That maybe I wonder if to make it boil on some more to throw sardine night and make it boil on with sardine. Wow, smoke a burn my eye. One thing with this kind of fire, good for your business. The smoke burn eye wicked and the scent. I just throw sardine night. I'm make your thing boil. Maybe you want more sardine in the people. With the amount of water or the amount of milk in the pot, you have more sardine in it. So I make it boil long. So most of the water boil out tight and the sardine flavor boil out in the milk. Yeah. So Maggi season. Can't live with the Maggi season at all. We Jamaicans use Maggi season a lot. Yeah, and this is a Maggi fish season. There's a pepper, but I try fish one. So, my tape this now and say what you want. My piece up on camera though, so I look find something to put the camera and teach on camera can see what I go on. So see it here, this what I go on, see if you need anything more like salt or so. I don't think you animals have no people. I don't think you animals salt. You can't consume too much salt. You can't consume too much salt. And to be careful of them salt not consume. Yeah. Okay, boil along some more. Let me take it off. Within about 10 minutes time. It's like done, but I'm not consume the same time, you know. But I'm sure I consume a part of me consume. You see me? I'm gonna deal with something right now. So I'm not consume it right away. So maybe I'm not consume it after back. Right now I'm really feel hungry. I'm gonna do something, so yeah. I'm gonna want to do it quick and fast because it rain at night. Yeah. Right man, do it quick and fast. Come on, do it today. Tomorrow now, I want to cook the liver show now I go on. Yeah. So when time that done boil long now, I show you it, you see me, the end result. Now I take off the rice on because rice must done steam by now. Take off the rice now. I make that one chicken log. Also I push up the stick there, make it fire catch it back. If I can dead done what about now. Because the rice when you want a big heat on the rice pot, make the rice burn, so take off the rice now people. Soon check him back, you know. See it here now people, but it's a burn up, so I'm left and season up chicken to rotted. But yeah, that's how them cook today. That's how them cook and do other things. You see it. You can season up chicken. But yeah, it's done. It's done. So I consume the rice. This will right looking more. I'll show them I consume it. Tell them the taste. But for now, soon come back. Welcome people. At night now, me eat the sardine down and the rice. I go on my honest opinion on it. Me personally feel like say whether go good with dumpling or roasted fruit. Because don't know run down nice with roasted fruit. It tastes just like run down, but sardine because I don't know it's a sardine night, so it tastes like sardine. In the gravy, yeah. It's nice. Come out good. But you can come below and tell me what you think about it, you know. Get the video I like. Yeah, nice. And when you can share the video and when you share it, tell a person to subscribe and help me grow, see me. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers by January for end. Yeah. Help me grow. I wanna share it when you can share it to anybody because my content them be clean so anybody can watch them. So if you're pastor uncle or your pastor grandfather or your Christian mother who say to your Christian and all that, then can watch the video, you see me. Anybody may put no video from this if you know the quality I want. If you cut bad word, I can't come in video because my video then clean, anybody can watch them and all. Man create good content we can last forever. And my constant content where mind blowing to young people and old people because nothing I have in mind and like put the people, even though them old could have been parents, they must hear first man hear about that. So anybody can read them, share it out man, young and old, make sure you subscribe. Share it and see yo, subscribe to the channel there and stay tuned and watching for them. Watch the video here. Yeah. Cause I don't know if people even know so your sardine can be earned down. Me even YouTube it and me let nobody come up with it. You see me? Seems alright. Man do it because I'm be the first and also subscribe and with the cane now, the cane juicing now. I must say I wasn't there. I wasn't the one who did. So no much talking explanation I go on night so I can't do now. I make another video with me record and ask some questions so only can get I better understand how I go on, you see me because I see the cane juice in posterity, but a long time from me a boy, long time. So I can't explain much, but I know say and get the cane, can plant cane, cut the cane, clean the cane, cut it up in a small piece where you can angle it better, angle it good, and just squeeze it with a simple machine. And the machine, just bamboo in use and put a stick and a zinc where you can just run on pan for going to the pan. Yeah. So watch it, leave a comment and all that. And tell me what you think about it. Them nice life people, nice. So just squeeze the cane, add ginger to it, and drink it or a little water because the cane very sweet. So that was sweet to drink. Just a little water and ginger. Okay, I know ginger is a nice kick. Yeah, very nice. So now soon time, I'm gonna do a video. Soon. I'm gonna do a video and make it explain more because it not do much explaining. So I'm gonna do no matter show and make see what I'm going to because I rate say yo I'm just a key and have somebody video it. I love that. You see me because it never have to do it because in support the channel big time. Big time. Love that. So I'm show and come and say yo, you know, so me do some key and do and me make somebody video it. You want to video it. Yeah. Because more want to show people them what go on, you know. Man and say yo, man instead of way of juicing cane because enough people don't know say yo cane can juice this week, enough people know them thing here. So I say, alright, yeah, good idea. So watch the video people, leave a comment, subscribe and share. Follow my again, Javid76 and Yasta Adventures. The link to channel, the link to page them, me keep on the channel. The link to page them down below in the description, just scroll down, click it and give me a follow.